Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been watching my videos. Today I'm going to do another bag unboxing. As you can tell from the bag, shopping bag. It's a Vera Bradley bag. So let's see what we have. Here we have the bag. It is a charcoal medallion Iconic Glenna Satchel, if I'm saying the name correctly. I really like the color combination of this pattern. There are some grays and blacks and some blue hues in here and prints. I really like this print. It's kind of neutral and has a attractive quality at the same time. Also the colors are kind of could go with any kind of outfit. I think to me they look pretty neutral. It has this the signature, I think it's called the sweetheart shape. This shape here, I really like that. And it has these like two sort of like those sweetheart dresses that different gowns have. They have this kind of neckline, and then it curves, when the dress comes down or the gown comes down, it like curves like this. So I guess that's the purpose of these cinches here. It kind of reminds me of the ones you see on Neverfull, Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. So it's on both sides. You could tighten it, just pull this in on both sides. I think that's pretty tight and looks even more like a cinched in waist of a dress. Looks pretty cool. Although I am not going to wear it like that, I'm gonna keep it open so I get more space inside the bag. Okay, let's look at the details of the bag. You see the Vera Bradley little leather label over here, and the price tag, of course, is $88. There's an outside pocket right here. There's no button or zipper or anything. Same thing on the other side. The lining, yeah, it's hard for me to show you from this pocket. If you can see, maybe I'll show you from inside. On the bag outside of it, there's not much leather. I think it's leather, except this label here, and on the shoulder straps. These are good size shoulder straps, if you can tell. It's about, I would say, 15-16 inches. Definitely more than a foot. So there is some silver hardware to hold the straps on both sides. Let's open the zipper. The zipper pull also has this leather, I think it's leather, and pretty smooth zipper. It's not metal, but it's pretty good. Okay, inside we have some packaging. So it's sort of like a tote and a satchel at the same time. I think I find it useful because I think I'm going to use it like a tote, and I like my totes zippered up on top. And here you can see the lining better, the lining print. It's like this, same color palette but different print. Very pretty. So inside there is this pocket. It's not big enough for my iPhone 8. And there's another one, same size, 2 pockets, same size. Oh, actually 3 pockets. There's another one here. 1, 2, and 3. So, and it says Vera Bradley over here again, right there, under another zipper pocket. It's like a regular tote bag zipper compartment that's usually inside. And so that's the zipper pocket, and there are 3 small pockets here. This main compartment and 2 pockets outside. These outside pockets are not that big, but I think you could easily put like a phone, your maybe small wallet, like a card holder kind of thing, or even a water bottle you could put here. It's pretty deep, it's all the way deep. You can see how deep my hand goes. You can see it goes all the way down. So it's pretty deep. So yeah, I can do a review on the bag after I wear it, see what I can fit in it and how useful I find it. I really love the fact that it's fabric, and the color palette and the pattern, everything about it. This is my first Vera Bradley bag, and if I like it, I'm gonna get more. My daughter already has a crossbody bag, and she loves it, and so I got inspired by her, and I thought I should get one. I see other people wear them too. They're pretty nice. I mean, they look good when they're worn. I noticed that mostly people wear around spring and summer, but I got it at the sort of beginning of fall, and I'm gonna wear it. I think this could easily pass for fall print. So yeah, that's my Vera Bradley Iconic Glenna Satchel. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.